So the topic is voltage to current converter and the current to voltage converter. First, let us look into the voltage to current converter. In voltage to current converter, we have two types of configurations. One is the voltage to current converter with floating load, and the other one is the voltage to current converter with the grounded load. So here, why we need to convert a voltage to current? It may be useful in many applications, such as where we drive a deflection coil in a television tube. We must have to convert a voltage signal to a proportional output current. So this is the diagram of the voltage to current converter with floating load. Here RL is floating and it is not connected to the ground. Here Vn is used as the supply input to the non-inverting terminal. So writing the KVL equations, that is voltage equations for this, one may obtain the output current I0 is equal to Vn by R1 will be precisely fixed. The applications of this voltage to current converters may be low voltage AC and DC voltmeter, diode match finders, LED and Zener diode testers. Now the voltage to current converter with grounded load. Look, the RL is grounded with a grounded load. So analysis of this circuit. To establish a relationship between the V1 and the load current IL, we may use KCL at the node. So as of result, we may get the input voltage, the output voltage V0 is equal to VI plus V0 minus ILR by 2, where gain is the 1 plus R by R is equal to 2. So applications of VI converter with floating loads are the same: diode match finder, Zener diode tester. The circuit becomes LED when the switch is in position 3. Next one, the current to voltage converter. So in current to voltage converter is a special case of the inverting amplifier in which the input currents are converted into the proportional output voltage. So the sensitivity of the current to voltage converters may be the output voltage V0 is equal to minus RF I in. The negative input terminal is at virtual ground, so we may get the negative sign. Hence the gain of this converter is equal to minus RF. The magnitude of the gain is also called as the sensitivity of the IV converter. Here the current to voltage converter is also called as trans resistance amplifier. The applications of the IV converter may include digital to analog converter, sensing current through photodetectors such as photocell, photodiodes and photovoltaic cells.